Hello everybody, I am Sean from amomii. Today we are going to be unboxing the amomii Glow. On the back of the box it's got a little description here, including the requirements such as a microcontroller. Let's see if we've got everything we should have. So if we look at the insert, ready, set, glow. On the back we have some safety warnings and information about the warranty. And inside we've got some technical specifications, a little bit of a description, and a URL where we can download all of the different digital assets. We won't talk about the digital assets now, we'll do that in another video. So you can see we have one longer female to male set of wires here, and the intention of this is to connect the first strip to your microcontroller, and it gives you plenty of room for projects where the lights are not so close to the microcontroller. And these are perfect for connecting your strips together, so daisy chaining your strips. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So the strips themselves, on the underside says amomii Glow. It clearly shows where the input side is and where the output side is. So the input side is where we connect to the microcontroller, and the output of one strip will connect to the input of the next strip if you want to daisy chain them together. And we could do this with all of them, daisy chain them all together, and we could get them glowing. That's about it. Bye.